Shenzhen LCD Mall Limited is a professional LCD display and touch panel supplier. We specialize in designing and supply standard and customized LCD display and touchscreen products. Our products include TFT LCD module, touchscreen, PCAP touch support optical bonding, OLED display, AMO LED, PMO LED, monochrome LCD or LCM, touch controller board, HMI display, and close assistance for technical service. With many years' experience, LCD Mall have many exclusive characteristics products, such as transflective TFT, high brightness TFT, support outdoor application, round TFT LCD, on-cell or in-cell touch, PCAP touch panel support 8mm thickness, cover class workable, capacitive touch support waterproof, and make AR, AG, AF coating surface treatments, TFT LCD, and PCAP touch optical bonding. Our products and services are highly recognized by customers worldwide. LCD Mall has 3 factories located in Shenzhen, Dongguan, and Jiangxi. The factory take ISO 9001, IATF 16949 management. LCD Mall has developed a core value of high quality, technical innovation, provide added value and service, which commits to our customers, partners, and employees. We're dedicated to providing latest display and touch technology that can be utilized in almost any environment, resulting in advanced viewing experiences. Welcome to join us.